Hello, everyone. I'm so glad that today we get to read this book together. Make sure that you have your book and follow along to everything I point to and read along with me as well. So, the title of this book is Fall Fun. Everyone take your finger and point to the word fall. Now point to the word fun. Fall Fun. This is the title of the book. And if I look in the picture, I see leaves. I see kids playing in the picture. They're maybe jumping in the leaves. If I think about this book, I think about what I would do outside in the leaves. Maybe I would jump in them as well. I'm going to open up to this first page and it says Fall Fun. There's a question down here that I want you to think about while we're reading this book. What are some ways to have fun in the fall? What are some ways to have fun in the fall? On this page of the book, words to know. These are the special words that are going to be inside the book. This word is carve. Everyone say carve. This word we all know is fall. Everyone say fall. This word is friends. Everyone say friends. This word is pick, rake, and roasted. Roasted is a special way to cook something. Let's get started. I'm on page 3. Fingers are ready. My friends and I love fall. We find many fun things to do. My friends and I rake leaves. They have the rake, and they are raking the leaves to make them into big piles. Then we jump in. And I'm saying we jump in because I see this exclamation mark. Then we jump in. Ooh, that looks like fun. My friends and I pick apples. Apples in the tree. Then we bake a pie. Has anyone ever had apple pie? Oh, delicious. My friends and I carve pumpkins. I did that over the weekend. I carved a pumpkin. Then we eat roasted seeds. They put the seeds on this pan and put them in the oven, and then they're eating them. We all have fun in the fall. Now you can close your book. We're going to read this book one more time, and then we're going to do an activity. So follow along. Your book should be closed, and you should be looking at the cover of the book. Point to the title, Fall Fun. Fall Fun. My friends and I love fall. We find many fun things to do. We find many fun things to do. My friends and I rake leaves. Then we jump in. My friends and I pick apples. Then we bake a pie. My friends and I carve pumpkins. Then we eat roasted seeds. We all have fun in the fall. I want you to think about this question that was at the beginning of the book. What are some ways to have fun in the fall? And now if I look, I see this page. I see page 7. Page 7 has a pie on it. So something fun in fall is to bake a pie. Now, I want everyone to turn to this page, because on this page, you're going to work on the question. So it says, what are some ways to have fun in fall? I'm going to write in fall, and I'm using my foundation lines. In fall, we can bake. Now I could tap out bake, but I'm going to look back at the page and find the word bake. Then we bake. Okay, so I see the word bake is right here, and now I know how to spell bake. In fall, we can bake a pie. And if you notice, I have a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence, and I have punctuation at the end. Now, what do you think that my picture is going to be about? I'm going to maybe draw a pie, and maybe some of my friends eating the pie. And always making sure that we have capitalization and punctuation at the end of our sentences.